In the hidden islands of Indonesia, there exists a creature that looks like it was born from another world, the blue viper. Its electric blue scales shimmer like ocean waves under the sunlight, making it one of the most mesmerizing snakes on Earth. But beneath that beauty hides silent death. One single bite from this serpent can paralyze a human within minutes. The blue viper waits motionless on tree branches, its icy eyes locked on the prey below. And when it strikes, it moves with lightning speed, elegant, precise, and deadly. In nature, beauty often hides danger, and the blue viper is the perfect example. A living jewel wrapped in poison. High above the lush green forests of Southeast Asia lives a creature that defies everything we thought we knew about snakes. This is the paradise flying snake, scientifically known as Chrysopelia paradisi. Unlike any other serpent, it can glide through the air from tree to tree with astonishing grace. Its scales shimmer in shades of green, yellow, and blue, reflecting the sunlight like liquid emerald. But this is not magic. It's pure evolution. By flattening its body and forming a concave shape, this snake can control airflow and travel more than 100 feet in a single glide. It hunts small birds, lizards, and even bats, striking mid-air with deadly precision. Hidden in the canopies, it's both beautiful and terrifying, a living ribbon of color that rules the skies. The paradise flying snake, nature's most unexpected acrobat. Hidden beneath the fallen leaves of the southern United States lives one of the most beautiful, yet deadly, snakes in the world. This is the eastern coral snake, known scientifically as Micrurus fulvius. Its body glows with vivid rings of red, yellow, and black, a living warning sign to all who dare approach. But beauty here is deception. Within those tiny fangs lies a neurotoxic venom so powerful, it can shut down the human nervous system in minutes. Unlike vipers, the coral snake doesn't strike fast. It bites and holds on, injecting venom with precision. It spends most of its life hidden, gliding silently through the undergrowth, hunting small reptiles and amphibians. Despite its deadly reputation, it's shy and rarely seen. Yet when sunlight hits its scales, the coral snake transforms from a creature of fear into one of nature's most dazzling masterpieces. High above the forest floor, hidden among the emerald leaves, lives a master of disguise, the green vine snake. Its slender body blends perfectly with the jungle vines, so thin that it sways with the breeze, completely invisible to the untrained eye. With large golden eyes that move independently, it scans every corner, watching silently, waiting patiently. Then, in a sudden burst of speed, it strikes. A small lizard caught in an instant, its body frozen by fast-acting venom. This serpent may not be deadly to humans, but to its prey, it's a silent and precise assassin. Nature's green blade. Every movement of this snake is pure elegance. Its body glides effortlessly between branches, shining like a living emerald ribbon in the sunlight. The green vine snake. Quiet, graceful, and hidden in plain sight. A perfect creation of nature's art. In the wetlands of California lives one of the most breathtaking snakes on Earth, the San Francisco garter snake. With its stunning blue, red, and black stripes, this rare creature is often called the most beautiful serpent in North America. But Behind its vibrant colors lies a skilled hunter. Watch as it glides silently through the grass, eyes locked on its prey. Its movements are calm yet precise, every motion measured. Unlike many snakes, this one is shy and gentle toward humans, yet ruthless in the wild. It strikes with lightning speed, capturing frogs and small fish with perfect accuracy. This mesmerizing creature reminds us that beauty and danger often walk hand in hand. A living masterpiece known as the San Francisco garter snake.